Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dip powder nails step by step. First, prepare your nails by cleaning and filing them to your preferred shape. Next, gently push back your cuticles and lightly buff the nail's surface to create a smooth base. Finally, apply a thin, even layer of a bond or dehydrator product to each nail. This crucial first step ensures optimal adhesion and a long-lasting, beautiful finish for your dip powder manicure. Now, let's move on to applying the base and powder. Start by brushing a thin, even layer of the dip powder base coat onto one nail. Immediately after, dip the entire nail into your chosen clear or colored dip powder. Ensure full coverage. Gently tap off any excess powder from the nail. Repeat this process for all 10 nails, working one nail at a time to prevent the base coat from drying prematurely. For enhanced durability and color vibrancy, we'll now apply a second layer. Begin by brushing another thin, even layer of the base coat onto each nail. Immediately dip each nail back into the powder, ensuring complete coverage. After tapping off any excess, generously apply the activator liquid to all 10 nails. This activator hardens the powder, transforming it into a durable, chip-resistant surface. Allow about 2 minutes for it to fully dry. To complete your dip powder manicure first, gently file and buff your nails smooth after the activator has fully dried. Next, apply 2 very thin, even layers of the dip powder top coat, allowing each layer to dry for about 2 minutes. This creates a high-gloss protective finish. Finally, nourish your cuticles with a drop of cuticle oil on each finger. This step adds hydration and a beautiful, professional shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.